Want to know how to write a simple program using Cloud? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Claude AI application or the website. So we have also created some videos regarding Cloud, which is available on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So now writing a simple code is just super simple. So on the top left side you should be seeing new chat, just simply like that, and in new chat should open up, and you can just simply select code right here on the bottom. You can just simply select that, and here you should be seeing all simple codes. So you can also filter out these codes or just type in this prompt right here. So you can just simply type in this prompt right here, just simply select go, and now once you have selected that, as you can see right here, your Cloud should start working and it should give you a simple code regarding a specific topic that you want. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more similar videos. See you in the next one.